Wow, the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo. Every content creator's dream. As long as you are a creator, having more than one screen increases your productivity. This is what the notebook can do. In addition to the 16.5-inch 4K UHD OLED screen, there's a secondary 14-inch ScreenPad Plus that runs up to 4K resolution. With this, you can open up to at least 4 web pages at the same time, use a shortcut to a commonly used app, swiping up and down with your finger, even playing Candy Crush while opening a map. It also supports a stylus, so yes, you can draw and write down notes too. The notebook is equipped with up to the latest 9th generation Intel Core i9 CPU, GeForce RTX 2060 GPU, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and more. There is a Pro and Standard version. Honestly, the ZenBook Pro Duo looks pretty awesome and we hope that it comes to Malaysia. Stay tuned for more videos at TechNave.com, and this is Abel Wong signing out.